As the internet grows and networks carry more services, devices often run under high service pressure. Incorrect configurations or network attacks can cause many BGP routes to be injected, consuming a lot of or even exhausting device resources and potentially interrupting services. Huawei's BGP Graceful Degradation technology can restore services through anomaly awareness, overload control, and service smoothing. This reduces risks and ensures that devices run properly under high service pressure. There are 3 states. When device resources reach the warning state, BGP route learning is slowed down to reduce the pressure on the device and the memory usage of the device. When device resources reach the danger state, new BGP routes are no longer learned to ensure proper running of existing services. When device resources reach the anomaly state, the BGP process is restarted to reduce the impact on other services. This networking is used as an example to demonstrate how BGP Graceful Degradation ensures services run properly with the help of MASTER and CEIP. First, complete basic configurations on NCE and a device on which you want to use the BGP Graceful Degradation solution. Next, perform the following 4 steps. First, set anomaly configuration options and enable the BGP peer up or down event function. And check the anomaly event list. You can view peer up events. Second, enable real-time performance monitoring to monitor device resource usage in real time. Third, modify the configuration to import many routes and check the resource usage of the device. You can see that the resource usage increases. Fourth, check whether the graceful degradation is successful. Check anomaly events. If the traditional solution is used, the BGP process restarts and BGP peer down events are reported. Check the device resource usage to determine the device running status. In the traditional solution, the resource usage decreases and the device restarts. In the BGP Graceful Degradation solution, the curve is stable, and the device is running properly, indicating that the degradation is successful. Huawei's BGP Graceful Degradation technology reduces service risks and ensures the network remains secure and stable.